Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic of my video is how you can cancel one-click pay on Temu app. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step. Without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Please do not skip the video and watch it till the end. So you can see there's this icon of Temu app visible on my screen. I will click it. After I click it, it brings me to this home page of mine where I will click the U option in the bottom middle of my screen. After that, it brings me to this page where I will click the settings option in the bottom and then go to my payment methods. And then you can see that I have not ordered anything yet. That's why there's no option of cancel one click pay at the moment on my screen. But if you have ordered something, you can cancel it by clicking that option, and then you will get a prompt of confirmation. You have to click cancel again, and after that your one click pay will be cancelled. I hope you liked my video, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This was an easy process, and if you followed me step by step, this process might have been easy for you too. Thank you very much. See you again.